What's the best AI toolkit for 2025 now? Today, I'm diving deep into the world of AI to find out which toolkit truly stands out for 2025, and honestly, the answer surprised me. With dozens of AI frameworks competing for dominance, which one actually deserves the crown? Let's dig in and see if we can uncover the best AI toolkit for 2025 right now. AI is evolving faster than ever in the US, from small businesses automating workflows to big tech running massive AI pipelines. And in 2025, AI toolkits are more than just nice to have, they're the backbone of innovation, powering everything from chatbots to self-driving simulations. But with so many choices, how do you know which toolkit is right for you? If you've ever tried to pick an AI toolkit, you know how overwhelming it can feel. There's this avalanche of frameworks, libraries, cloud platforms, custom models, you name it. Everyone claims to be the fastest, the easiest, or the most scalable. But here's the catch. Not all toolkits are created equal. Some are incredible for deep learning, but fall flat when you need deployment. Some run beautifully on powerful GPUs, but struggle on consumer-level hardware. Others look great on paper, until you realize the documentation is out of date or the community barely exists. And depending on your background, maybe you're a developer, a startup founder, or just an AI hobbyist, the best choice could dramatically change. Plus, 2025 has introduced new pressures. AI models are bigger, workflows are more complex, and businesses are demanding real-time results. So yeah, picking the right toolkit isn't just tough, it can make or break your project. Let's break down the top contenders most people in the US rely on right now. TensorFlow has been a giant since 2015. It's flexible, production-ready, and supported by a massive ecosystem: TensorFlow Core, TensorFlow Lite for mobile, TensorFlow.js for browser-based AI. Strengths: enterprise adoption, scalability, cross-platform flexibility. Weaknesses: steeper learning curve, less intuitive for beginners than alternatives. PyTorch has exploded in popularity, especially in research and rapid prototyping. Its dynamic computation graph feels natural, almost Pythonic, and its ecosystem keeps growing. Strengths: easy to learn, fantastic community support, industry standard for research. Weaknesses: historically weaker in production deployment, though this has improved a lot. A cloud-based powerhouse for enterprises. It integrates seamlessly with existing Azure services, making it great for companies already in Microsoft's ecosystem. Strengths: automated ML, excellent MLOps tools, strong deployment pipelines. Weaknesses: price and complexity, better suited for enterprise than solo developers. IBM Watson Studio is a collaborative, business-focused environment. Great for industries like healthcare, finance, and retail. Strengths: strong data prep tools, governance features, enterprise reliability. Weaknesses: not as flexible for custom model building compared to PyTorch or TensorFlow. Each of these toolkits brings something unique to the table, but only one stands out as the best overall toolkit for 2025. After reviewing community trends, performance benchmarks, enterprise adoption, and developer usability, PyTorch takes the crown as the best AI toolkit for 2025. Here's why: unmatched ease of use. If you can write Python, you can learn PyTorch. Its dynamic graph system feels natural, intuitive, and quick for experimentation. Massive community support. In 2025, PyTorch has one of the most active global communities, meaning faster updates, better documentation, and endless tutorials. Gold standard for research. Most leading AI research, vision models, foundation models, LLM prototypes start in PyTorch. If you want bleeding-edge innovation, PyTorch is where it happens first. Great production pathways. Thanks to tools like TorchServe and ONNX Runtime, deploying PyTorch models is easier than ever, solving its biggest historical weakness: scalability and performance. Optimized for GPUs and even TPUs, PyTorch handles both small experiments and large industrial-scale training. Simply put, beginner-friendly, powerful for experts, flexible for any project, future-proof for 2025 and beyond. That combination is rare, and it's why PyTorch wins. So, here's the bottom line. While TensorFlow, Azure ML, and Watson Studio are strong in their own domains, PyTorch hits the sweet spot of usability, flexibility, scalability, and community strength. If you're building AI in 2025, PyTorch is the toolkit that truly delivers across the board. Now I want to hear from you. What's your favorite AI toolkit and why? Drop a comment below. I love learning from your experiences. And if you want more AI insights, breakdowns, and tutorials, make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and check out my next video. It's packed with tips to take your AI projects even further.